There's one instance which I recall vividly right up in the mountains, where 5 children went to bed with drinking water, simple water, which was incredible. By the time we went there, they didn't have anything in their way of food. So when we went there as Red Cross, we had some food, we had some vegetables, we had some medication to crown it all. But here's something that depressed me mostly. One of the children was a double orphan who didn't have parents and was HIV positive. And this child had medication, and you won't believe, for the next, 2 days, she was taking medication without food. That was a touching experience that one would say. One should applaud our partners to have medicated under this situation. The good news is that the child has recovered and she has done very well in her high school. I was interviewing her and saying, "What do you want to do after high school?" She said, "I want to be a medical doctor." So you can see how Red Cross can play a critical role in some of the most disadvantaged community people.